Jai Hind, class 7th students. How are you? Fine? Okay. I am also fine. Students, today in this video session, I am coming to introduce the chapter 2nd, Formulas and Functions in MS Excel. This is the chapter 2nd and first chapter in the previously I taught you. So, class 7 students, subject computer, carefully understand the chapter 2nd, formulas and functions in MS Excel. So, today's our topic what? Today's our topic is, see here, entering formula using insert function. यहाँ आज हमें ये सीखना है कि एक्सेल के अंतर्गत जो फॉर्मूला हम यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल यू जस्ट सी हियर, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला इन एक्सेल. सपोज you need to use the sum function. You need to use the sum function. Sum function is used to adding numbers. So if you want to use this function in the Excel spreadsheet, suppose that this is your Excel spreadsheet, and in this you need to use this function. Okay. So there are two types to use this function. First, using by insert function, the formula you use, either if you already remember, then you just use this formula. Okay. So students, here is A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3. You know what is this? Firstly, you know this is what? This is sheet. What is sheet? The rows and columns makes a table in Excel, and that one table is called sheet, either worksheet. Understand? Here is A, B, C, D, dot. What is this? This is the column headings. This is the column headings. What is this? Column headings. And 1, 2, 3, dot. What is this? This is the row numbers. Okay, row numbers, either row headings. So you understand, this is sheet, either worksheet, this is columns, this is rows. Okay, so here is, what is this? This is cell. What is this? This is cell. And what is the definition of cell? Anyone know? The definition of cell is intersection point of rows and column is called cell. यहाँ देखो, जब एक कॉलम और एक रो इंटरसेक्ट होती है और उससे जो कट कर एक रेक्टेंगल पोर्शन बनता है, रेक्टेंगल साइज का फिगर बनता है, यही जो साइज है, यही जो फिगर है, इसी को हम किस नाम से जानते हैं? सेल. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ here I am going to teach you how you use the insert function for entering the formula by using this function. Okay. So and second one thing, देखो दो चीज मैंने कही, या तो आप बाय सिस्टम लेकर आओ, या तो आपको रिमेंबर है तो उसका यूज कर सकते हो. कैसे यूज करेंगे अभी एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज यहां जो है कोई लिस्ट है, सीरियल नंबर, नेम ऑफ स्टॉक, और यहां उसका अमाउंट लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, तो एक रो और बढ़ा लेंगे. यहां देखिए सीरियल नंबर 1, 2. ओके, और यहां नेम ऑफ स्टॉक, सपोज दैट बिस्किट हो गया, एंड नमकीन हो गए। प्राइस क्या है? इसकी प्राइस आपने ज्यादा कलेक्शंस में लिया है, सपोज दैट यहाँ 4350 रुपीज के आपने बिस्किट्स लिए हैं और नमकीन आपने 6002 रुपीज के 102 रुपीज के लिए हैं। अब इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, ठीक है? या तो ये दो नंबर हो या अधिक से अधिक कितने भी नंबर हो, सम जो ये फॉर्मूला है इसे एडिंग का वर्क किया जाता है। देखो कैसे यूज करेंगे। अगर आपको याद है फॉर्मूला तो आप इस सेल को सेलेक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? जरा एक चीज बताइए, इस सेल का नाम क्या है? आप लोग जानते हैं? नहीं जानते? देखिए, सेल का नेम आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए इफ यू वांट टू आइडेंटिफाई द नेम ऑफ सेल, सो you must be listen carefully how you just identify the name of cell. Firstly, you just look the top. Which one column? C. This one in which column? C column. And which one row? 4. Then what is the name of this cell? C4. So this cell I make here. Okay. So if you need to enter, if you need to write the formula, then one choice only one choice. You just put the equal sign. In every formula when you just putting in the Excel, then you just need the equal sign. Okay. After that equal sign, what you just do? You write, if you remember, SUM sum, small bracket. After that, from which one cell to add which one cell? So this one cell C2. So you just write here C2 and give the column. This is column symbol. After that you just last cell. So this one C3 and close this small bracket. And after the editing the formula, you click on, you press on the key enter, automatically addition is get here. Okay, so this is remembering portion. If you remember that formula, then you just use this type. Either if you not remember how you apply, then you go where you go in the formula tab. Where you go in the formula tab. When you just go in the formula tab, then you just see the left side insert function option is given on there. Insert function option is given on there. And in the insert function dialog box when the appear, okay, so here is the commands list and here is the search criteria and here is go option. Okay, you just type the SUM sum and after that click on the go option. Automatically sum is selected here and after that click on OK. When sum is selected, then click on the OK. Automatically a new dialog box is appear in your computer desktop screen. On there written here num1, num2, num3 either, then OK. So those number you need to, those cell you need to calculate. Okay, either you type the cell name, either you type the value. Suppose that you want to add 3, 4, 3, 5, 1 and 6, 1, 0, 2, then you just type the number and after that click on the OK. When you click, then you get the answer. So here is two process. Here is two process to insert a formula by using the insert function. Students, firstly you just clear about what is Excel, how you just work in Excel, and after that when you just complete these things, then suddenly you just go to try the complete worksheet in MS Excel. When you prepare some sheets, you know, in the previous times I sent to you a homework. Open your mobile, open your laptop, open your PCs, those you have, and open the Excel application, and on there you just put the field name, serial number, put the field name, serial number, name of student, and address. You remember, no one students are completing that things for putting the some records and after that sending to me. No one students are completing. Why? You are not using smartphones in now time. You are not using laptop. You are not using PCs. Everything you have, but you are not trying to do that things. Okay. So firstly, you just increase your desire for achieving the knowledge. Okay, and if you not trying, then you nothing know in the Excel. Excel is a very important and very useful application for everyone in the calculating field. Okay, so you remember that things, because after this topic you just jump on your exercise. Jump on, it means after this topic question answer is comes. So question answer tomorrow I write you, but now a time you will be try to type some data in MS Excel and do the practice. How you just suppose that you are typing name of students and you need to increase the size of column, increase the size of width of column, you need to increase the height of row. Then what you do? Where you do? Firstly, when you just do the practice on it, then you will be able to increase the width of column, increase the height of row. And when you not do, then you never do understand about that Excel. So everyone understand? Okay. So our topic is finished. Next day we are going to solving the exercise. Okay, हम लोग एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. अभी हमने ये जाना फॉर्मूला क्या होते हैं, फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं, और उसके बाद से आपने यहाँ पर अभी देखा कैसे इंसर्ट फंक्शन द्वारा फॉर्मूले को लाया जाता है. दो प्रोसेस है, या तो रिमेंबर से, यदि आपको याद है तो टाइप कर लीजिए ऑटोमेटिकली, अदरवाइज इंसर्ट फंक्शन से जाके आप उन चीजों को कर लीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. बट you remember, you do some practice, type some data in cell, increase the height of row, increase the width of column, then you just able to understanding about that cells, because it is my formula. If anyone students know about that cell setting, then know about whole Excel, and if you not know about that cell setting, then you not understand the cell. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.